Hi everyone, observing some unusual options activity and some interesting names, Mastercard and Visa. Looks like the trades were placed right after each other with a serious bearish bet on Mastercard. We saw a put option activity at the 145 strike, and we're talking about the May 18th contracts here. There was a total of 5,000 contracts purchased at $1.04 roughly, and that is at the time when the stock was trading at 170. Now the expected earnings results on Mastercards are around May 2nd, which will be confirmed. In Visa, we saw activity in $100 puts. Currently, Visa is trading around 118, or at the time of the trade it was, and there was a total of 9,000 contracts purchased at a price of 55-56 cents roughly. Now, what's interesting is the open interest in relation to the amount of contracts that were purchased. Now, the most important thing out of this observation is the fact that the open interest, for example, in Visa was only 88 contracts. The amount of contracts purchased was 9,000, which is literally 100 times more than the open interest in the amount of contracts. Now, in a similar observation here on Mastercard. So what does this mean? Well, somebody thinks that Visa is going to trade below $100 by May 18th, which means in 45 days, the price of Visa should decline by roughly 20 bucks. Seems sort of highly improbable, but why would they be making such a bet? Let's take a look at what's going on here on the chart. Well, it looks like it's solidly trading under the 50-day moving average. We're seeing some other bearish patterns. Well, a lot of stocks actually were able to observe the same similar patterns right now. I'm not sure what could cause this trader to think that the stock could decline by 20% in the next 44 days. But clearly, and again, the trades were placed consecutively, and we are expecting within the time frame of this bearish trade on Visa and Mastercard, we're expecting both companies to be reporting earnings during such a time frame. Now, what we are not sure is what makes the trader place this potential profitable trade besides the bad earnings report that could be knocking the stocks down. But similar observation on Mastercard, right? Trades under the same 50-day moving average at 173. That's about the time when the trade was placed, even though it was early in the day, around lunchtime. Some similar bearish patterns observed right here on the MACD and so on, but nothing that would just stand out to where we would believe that the stock is going to be trading just 44 days later right here below the 200-day moving average line. I mean, my goodness, the last time that happened was December 2017, 5-6 months ago. So they think the price will return to the December levels. Mastercard has dropped from a level of about 157 all the way down to 140. So they're thinking it's going to come back right here to the December level of 145. So what do you make out of this? I don't know. I typically don't trade these two stocks because of the lower volatility nature, but hopefully this information will help somebody out there. If you'd like to learn more about options, visit marketcrash.money. Click right here, How to Profit. Schedule your one-on-one consultation. If you'd like to learn which stock options do I trade, on which stocks, because not that many people realize some stocks are just not a good product for trading options. So which stocks are? Well, I have a watch list of about 300 stocks that I follow on daily basis, okay? And I would be sharing a stock list with you that could help you trade the right type of stocks, the right product, in order to gain some traction, some good results given the current market environment. Find out why market crash could be a possibility, why Bitcoin crash could be a possibility, and how you can take advantage of the stock market crash before it takes advantage of you. I know the markets have been somewhat confusing over the last few days, up and down, but I think Friday job report will finally bring some clarity to the picture, and we will be able to put some solid tradable strategies. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video.